Hey everyone, Iris here, and today we are grilling up some bacon wrapped potatoes. If you ever had loaded potatoes, it's time to level up. Let's get started. So we just have here some brushed, clean, russet potatoes. We are going to give them a nice little cut about halfway down the middle, and then a little bit of a score, kind of quarter of the way through on the sides. And these are just going to give a little bit of an opening for some seasoning to go inside. So from here, we are going to mix our seasoning mixture. So we have some kosher salt, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper. Give it a mix. And then season very liberally. The biggest mistake you can make with a baked potato is not seasoning it enough. So do not be shy. This is all the seasoning that we're gonna have before we wrap it in bacon. We're gonna wrap each of these potatoes in about 3 strips of bacon, depending on the size of your potato, more or less, up to you. We're gonna do our best to go all the way around. Like that, overlap a bit. So the bacon fat is really going to just get the potato nice and moist and crispy, keep all those juices and flavors locked in there. It's gonna be so good. We're not quite done. We're gonna douse these in brown sugar, and this is going to be so delicious. It's gonna balance out some of the salt from the bacon, and it's gonna add this really beautiful, delicious caramelization on top and really pack it in there. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And so from here, we are ready to wrap these up in foil, and that's gonna act as another protective layer to make sure that your potato and your bacon doesn't burn, your sugar doesn't burn, and it's gonna lock in and really make sure the inside of this potato gets perfectly cooked. Okay, let's get these potatoes on this very hot grill. We added a bit more brown sugar in this foil. So we're gonna close up these tents to make sure that we can get the potato nice and cooked, steamed up. All right, guys, here we go, the great reveal of our bacon wrapped grilled potato. Look at that. We're just gonna pop her on a plate. Oh, gorgeous. And all of the bacon has rendered down so nice and crispy. The brown sugar on top is caramelized. This is gonna be such a delicious treat. So good. So we're gonna load up this potato. We have sour cream. Woo. We have extra sharp cheddar cheese, my favorite. And chopped chives for some extra freshness. Isn't that perfect? All right, guys, let's dig in. Whee! Oh yeah, look at how that just slices right through. Perfect bacon piece. We're just gonna take some from the top here. Oh. That was so delicious. The potato is perfectly cooked, so tender, moist. The bacon is sweet. It's like a candied bacon with that brown sugar we had on top. It's perfectly crisp. The sour cream has that tanginess that we love, and that sharp cheddar just cuts right through. Honestly, this is a winner, guys. This was so delicious. This is a grilled, bacon wrapped, loaded potato, and this was Bussin Eats.